What if I told you Android 17 is already here and Samsung's One UI 9 just leaked at the same time? Yes, it's happening. On February 13th, Google officially dropped the first Android 17 beta, and almost instantly, leaks of Samsung's One UI 9 beta started surfacing online. Things are moving fast, and if you're a Galaxy fan, this is big. Android 17 has officially begun its journey. If you're using a Google Pixel device, you can download the beta right now using Google's official process. Here's the expected timeline. Beta 1, released February 13. Beta 2, expected March 2026. Stable release, scheduled for Q2, April-June. Last year, Google released Android 16 stable on June 10th, right on schedule. So if history repeats itself, we're likely looking at a full Android 17 rollout this June. With the Android Canary program already active, Google might reduce the number of beta builds, but don't be surprised if we see extra updates focused on polishing and stability. Now, here's where things get even more exciting. Samsung is preparing to launch One UI 9, built on Android 17. While Android provides the core system, One UI 9 will bring Samsung's signature Galaxy design, features, and customizations. Just hours before Android 17 beta went live, Samsung reportedly uploaded early One UI 9 builds for its upcoming foldables. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Wide Fold. Even more interesting, a build was spotted for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and soon we might see activity around the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, which could become one of the main devices in the beta program. Let's not forget the Galaxy S lineup. Samsung launched One UI 8 beta, based on Android 16 on May 28, 2025, starting with the Galaxy S25 series before expanding to S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Now, if internal testing continues at this pace, here's what we could see. One UI 9 beta, May 2026, likely starting with the Galaxy S26 series. One UI 9 stable, July 2026, possibly debuting with the Galaxy Z8 series. That means the Galaxy S26 lineup might spend just 2 or 3 months on One UI 8.5 before jumping to Android 17 with One UI 9. Android 17 is officially in motion. Samsung is already testing One UI 9 behind the scenes. Foldables are getting early builds, and Galaxy S26 could be next in line for the beta spotlight. This year's software race is heating up faster than ever. If you're excited about Android 17 and One UI 9, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any leaks, beta updates, or hidden features coming your way.